Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskaram. In Sandhyavandanam, there is Pradhanam and there is Angam. Giving Arkyam with Gayatri Mantra, Gayatri Avahanam, Gayatri Mantra Jabam, Upasthanam. These are the Pradhanam. And Achamanam, then Prokshanam with water by chanting mantras, Prasanam by chanting mantras. These are all initial Angam of Sandhyavandanam. The Angam part is actually to purify oneself so that the Pradhanam will be more effective and more powerful. So, one will get a Brahmana Janma after taking so many births. Jandunam Narajanma Durlabham, says Adi Shankara. Getting a human life itself is difficult. In that also, Brahmana Janma is very difficult. In Mahasankalpam, we used to say, Anadya Vidya Vasanaya Pravartamane Asmin Magadi Samsara Chakre Vijitrabhihi Vijitrasu Pashu Pakshi Mragadi Yonishu Anekatha Punapunaha Janitva Kenabhi Punyakarma Visheshena Idanindana Manishve Dvijanma Vishesham Praptavataha. After taking so many births as birds and animals, and due to the Punya Karmam, due to the unknown Punya Karmam, Kenabhi Punya Karma Visheshena, one is getting a Dvijanmam, that is Brahmana Janma. So, we don't know whether we will get a birth again as human being or as a Brahmana in the next Janma. So, it is very important to follow what Shastra says to attain the Dharmartha Kama Moksham. So, for that, the Sandhyavandanam, especially the Gayatri Mantra Jabam, is very important. In Upanayanam, one gets the second Janma. It is an Ayonija Janma. Through Mantra Prayoga, the Savitri will become the mother and Acharya will become the father to get the Ayonija Janma, so that one will be eligible to learn and practice Vedas. So, it is that much important. Any mantra jabam will give lot of results. Makaram manityahuhu trakaram tranamevaja manastrana samayukto mantra ityabhidiyate. By applying the minds, if one chants and if one gets protection, it is the mantra. So, by chanting, one will be protected. That is the basic quality of the mantra. And when mantra is continuously chanted, it will become the jabam. Jakaro janmavichetaha pakara pavanasanaha. The jabam will destroy the pabam, will make one free from papas, and also it will make one free from janma. That is called janma vichedam. It will take you to moksha. So, mantra jabam has this much importance. For Brahmins, mantra is the weapon, because through mantram, the Brahmin can attain anything, especially the Gayatri Mantra. Jabenivadu samsiddhyet brahmano natra samshayaha. By doing jabam, Brahmin can attain anything, especially the Gayatri Mantra. Savitri Mahatrasarobi Param Vipra Suyandradaha. By chanting the Gayatri Mantram, by doing the Gayatri Upasana, one can attain anything he wishes. In the Gayatri Mantra only, in the Sandhya Vandana only, the Brahmanyam is maintained. Edas Sandhya Trayam Proktam Brahmanyam Yatadishtidam. So, if you don't do the Sandhya, Brahmanyam will get lost. So, one have to do the Gayatri Mantra Jabam perfectly during the Sandhya Vandanam. Why the Gayatri Mantra is so much important? What is its significance? Gayatri Mantra is actually the saram of three Vedas. Each padam from each Veda. Tribhya evadu Vedebhyaha padam pada maduduhad. The Tassa Vidarvarenyam is from Rigveda, Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi from Yajurveda, Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat from Samaveda. So, it has taken from three Vedas. It is not that it is a portion of that. It is the saram of the three Vedas. That is, the first padam represents the entire Rigvedam, the second Yajur, and third Samaveda. So it is the juice taken from all the Vedas. Actually, there is only one Veda. Later, only for convenience to learn, Vedavyasa divided it into four. So Gayatri is the Veda Saram. If one chants Gayatri, it is equivalent to chanting the entire Vedas. That is one of its significance. Gayatri is only the name. Devada is Savitra Devada. Why it is called Gayatri? Gayandam Trayade Asmad Gayatridi Smrada Budrihi. Those who chant that, he will be totally protected. That is why it is called Gayatri. But it is also called Savitri because it is Savitra Devada, Savita Devada. The Aradhana Devada is Savita. Savita means sun. We should not take as the sun we see, not like that. Soom Prani Prasave. It is Savita means the one who created the entire living beings and universe. So it's actually the Parabrahman or the Paramatma. So actually the Gayatri Mantra Jabam is actually the Upasana of Parabrahman or the Paramatma. It has got that much importance. Teyas Sada Savardra Mandala Madhyavarti Narayana Sarasijasana Sannivishtakkeyuravan Makaragundalavan Kiridi Hari Hiranmaya Vabradrita Shanka Chakraha Teyas Sada Savardra Mandala. We are actually doing the dhyanam of one who is in the middle of the Savitra Mandala, not the Savitra Mandala, not the Surya, but one who sits in the mid of Surya Mandala. Madhyavarti Narayanaha, it is the Parabrahman, it is the Paramatma, or in Sagunobhasane, he is Narayana because he is with a form. Keyuravan, Makaragundalavan, like that he is being described. So, through the Gayatri Jabam, one is actually doing the Aradhane of Paramatma or Parabrahma. We should not take the Gayatri as a simple form of worship. It is a ultimate form of worship. It is the highest form of worship. So we should know how to do the Gayatri Japam in a proper way and also its importance. In the Sandhyavandanam, in the initial stage of Upasana, one is required to do it in the physical form. So here the Surya is the Upasana Devadai. Gayatri has different levels of meaning explained in Shastra. In the basic level, it is praying to the sun god to do the prachodhanam of brain. One has to get the vikasam of brain so that one can reach into the higher level of consciousness. Because sun has got the power to motivate everything. He is the Pratyaksha Devada, Surya Pratyaksho Devada, says Shastra, and he is also the inextinguishable light, says Varahamihira, Trilokya Devo Ravihi. And he motivates the entire creatures as well as the all planets. So even the Purva Janma Punya Pabam and all one gets the Anubhavam or the experience of Purva Janma Punya Pabam is through the activity of sun. So in all the ways, sun is very important. As well as Veda go on to say that Veda itself become the Surya. Vedehi Sunyaha Tribhedi Suryaha. So Vedam will itself become the Surya for one to do Upasana. So with the Veda mantra, one can do the Upasana of Vedam as Surya, because Surya is the form of Veda as energy or as the Jyotis. So Surya has got that kind of importance. Moreover, he is the Virinji Narayana Shankaratmane, says Sandhyavandanam itself. He is the Atman of Brahma, Vishnu and Shivan. So, sun has got that kind of importance. Surya Atma Jagatas Tastushascha. He is the Atma of Jagat. When we do Arkhya Pradhanam, after doing the Arkhya Pradhanam, we say Asavadityo Brahma Brahmevahamasmi, which means Suryan is Brahman or the Paramatma. Brahmevahamasmi. I am also Brahman. So in the initial stage itself, the Sandhyobhasaka is trained to think as he is the Brahman or he is the Paramatma after doing the Arkhya Pradhanam. So, unlike the other mantras, Gayatri mantra has got so many importance. The Gayatri mantra name itself has come also due to Gayatri Chandas, because Gayatri mantra is chanted in a specific chandas. Chandas means the one which protects the Vedas. It is like the leg of, it is like the how our leg protect us. Chandas is actually protecting the Veda. The Chandas has different aksharas. There are different kind of Chandas. So the Gayatri Chandas has got 24 aksharam. So we will come to know that there are 24 letters in Gayatri mantra. Chandapado Vedasya. Chandas is actually protecting the mantra. For every mantra, we have Rishi Chandas Devada. Rishi is the mantra drashta, one who found out the mantra. We are all from mantra drashta parambare. And then Chandas, then Devada. So, since it is in Gayatri Chandas, we call it Gayatri Mantra. It is also said in Shastra that Tripada Gayatri, it has got 3 padas, that which I explained earlier. Also Ashtakshara Gayatri. Each padam has got 8 aksharas. And also Chaturvimshatyakshara Gayatri. So in order to protect a mantra, it is being explained in different ways. As the Gayatri is very important and it should not get changed, or there should not be any correction in the mantra. So it is being explained in different ways in the name of Chandas and also with the other explanation. So Gayatri actually has come directly from the Vedas. Brahmano Mukhad. It has come from the Vedas and it should be chanted by the Brahmana, who is the protector of the world. Maitro Brahmana Uchyade. He is the friend for everyone in the world. So let us now try to understand the rules in chanting of Gayatri.